Welcome to Grasshopper Labs. In this video, we're going to be completing our driver acceptance verification. So what we want to do is select our Start Verification button in the top middle of the screen. It's going to open up our camera. Here, what we want to do is successfully verify or scan the amount of items that are going to be loaded onto our truck. So at the top of the screen, you can see I have 0 out of 4 scanned, and the goal is to scan every item going out. So this number would be 4 out of 4. So I'm simply going to walk over to my Grasshopper label and begin to scan my product, and you can see the moment I do it, that number at the top of the screen is beginning to change. And as I move down and start to scan the remaining items, the number will continue to change as well. And once I've completed and scanned all of the necessary items, it's going to let me know that my verification has been complete. I can then return back to my manifest, and that is how we complete the driver acceptance verification.